guys, now I'm back in my favorite position right again near the sink, and today we father and son are going to make paratha.
Huh?
No?
Yes, no paratha. Ghee paratha.
That's very weird. I don't know how to say these stuff like garota, barota, garota. There are many versions of this. I didn't even write a poem on this because it's that funny. Now Dad, how do you say it again?
Ghee paratha.
Okay then. Anyways, we'll be making that for today. So
Okay.
let's get on with the ingredients.
Okay. Here we go. The ingredients for the ghee parathas are 2 cups of plain flour. It approximately around 400 grams. 1 piece of egg. Sugar. Whole milk. Pure ghee. Lukewarm water. And finally salt. Now I'm going to show you how to make a perfect ghee paratha dough. First I have to add salt, then granulated sugar, lukewarm water, warm milk and 1 egg. Then all combine together to make a fine batter. Batter is ready. Now I am going to add the plain flour into the bowl. Then also need to add another as well. Then pour all the mixture into the flour. Mix it very well to make a fine dough. Now I am going to add 1 spoon of ghee as well. Then mix it very well to make a fine dough. Yes, the dough almost halfway through. Now I am going to shift the dough into a tabletop. Now sprinkle the flour on top of the table. Then take the dough and knead the dough at least 5 minutes to make a fine texture dough. Look the texture of the dough, very nice and very soft. Okay, now I'm going to cover the dough and keep it aside for at least 1 hour. Yes, almost 1 hour pass. So now I will show you the
Dough!
You scare me?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, you know what it is?
It's dough
What dough?
for making the paratha.
Paratha. You tell me the full name. Paratha. What paratha?
Ghee paratha, I guess.
Excellent. Good. Okay. Now I'll show you how to make a perfect paratha. Right? Alright? Okay. Let's start with.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to divide the dough into small balls. Like around 60 grams. Like this. Okay. Like this. Make a round shape and keep it here. Like that. Make another one. Make a round shape. Also make another one. Now sprinkle some flour. Then keep here and spread the dough like chapati shape. Then spread the ghee all over like that. Okay. Then you have to make a mark like this. Okay. Then I will show you how to roll the paratha. Like that. Then roll it like this. Okay. Both sides together spread it. This shape. Then you have to spread it. Make it like this shape. Very easy. Keep it here another 15 minutes. Yes, almost 15 minutes now. Okay. This is the way to make a perfect shape of paratha like this. Don't fully press it. Meantime, you have to heat the frying pan as well.
Yay! Our paratha is ready.
Paratha is ready. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Yes, as usual. First, heat the frying pan. Add quarter teaspoon of ghee. Then the paratha need to cook it in the frying pan at least each side 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add again quarter teaspoon of ghee on top of the paratha. Then you have to turn the paratha into other side like that. Look, nice color. Nicely rotate the paratha so that the ghee evenly spread in the parathas. I'm going to turn into other side as well. Yes, paratha almost ready. So you always do just rotate the paratha like that. Yes, the paratha is perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to shift the paratha into the plate. Look, very nice and golden color. It's cooked evenly all over the paratha.
It's tasting time. Now, Dad, give us some of those.
Here we go.
Yes. And yes, we are also using some butter chicken and we have made in the last video, and here's the link above in case you haven't seen the video. But first, watch this video and then I suggest you to go to that video. And this is a really good combination with ghee paratha.
Ah, you learned, yes. Very
Yeah,
good.
finally. I mean, you don't know how many years I took to learn this thing. Anyways, Dad.
Yeah, I'll give some
Exactly.
sauce.
Yeah. Now, time
Try.
for the big part.
I also want to try this. Mmm.
Oh, it's so nice. I just like it. It's really good combination than you expect actually. So you must try this at your home. Really good food, isn't it, Dad?
Actually, it's a type of bread. You know, it's a very easy to prepare at home.
You guys might have felt mouth-watering by this moment. I can see it. Now, so make sure to make this at your home because it's really nice. And the both recipes have already been uploaded. Make sure to watch them both. Right, Dad?
Exactly.
Any tips you would like to give to our friends?
Yeah, you know this, if you make a dough, you can keep in the fridge, then you can use tomorrow as well. So you can save your time as well.
Okay then. Now I saw us both make this video. Thank you for watching till the end and we'll see you in the next video. But make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share to all your friends so even they can have a taste of this dish. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.